Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Tunisia.
Cable standby, in the left side. Kevin ako live. Mangi dipati working shot dulu. Mangi ko live. Kevin.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic, I have the honor to present to you Anwar bin Yusuf, Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Tunisia.
Excellency, Honorable Dr. Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya. I would like to start by conveying the warmest greetings and the best wishes of the President of the Republic of Tunisia, His Excellency Kais Saied, to you and to the brotherly people of Kenya. It's a great honor to present to Your Excellency the letters of credence by which His Excellency Kais Saied, President of the Republic of Tunisia, appoints me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the Republic of Kenya, along with the letters of recall of my predecessor. Your Excellency, Tunisia and Kenya, as African countries, share the common destiny of struggle for independence, and since the establishment of our diplomatic relations on December 12, 1963, our two countries share a common aspiration for development and in all sectors of common interest, such as economy, health, technology, culture, academic, and military cooperation. My government is equally interested in increasing reciprocal high-level visits and in advancing negotiation on new and pending agreements so we can look forward to their conclusion and signature during the first political consultation session to be held in Tunis or in Nairobi on a later date to be decided on 14. Finally, Your Excellency, President Ruto, I would like to express the satisfaction of the Tunisian government on your plan to open a Kenyan embassy in Tunis. This decision would certainly permit a further strengthening of our already excellent relations between our people and governments. Asante sana, Mheshimiwa Rais Ruto.
Congratulations, Ambassador. I, Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you, Your Excellency, to pursue the interests of your government within the territory of Kenya, by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting the widest possible sense of friendship within the law. The mutual aspirations of the people of Kenya and our two nations, and thereby enlarge our Secretary will be cooperating with the service. Then we will start. TS for foreign affairs.
Apitie site nyingine apatie mwanti nini kebo. Kebo, hebu jaribu kusonga karibu kidogo.